This is Math Lesson 3.9, Use Make 10 to add. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say this: I can use the Make 10 strategy to add. So here we have a problem. We have 7 plus 5. So we're going to use the Make 10 strategy to add. So we're first going to put our counters down. So I have 7 counters. So I'm going to use 7 red counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we want to use a Make 10 strategy. So this time when we fill in our 10 frame, we're going to fill in the whole 10 frame instead of leaving spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we're going to do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you look, we had 7. We needed 3 more to make a 10. So right now we have 10 in our 10 frame. So here we have 10, and we had 7, and then we had 5. So if I know for 7, 10, I know that 7 and 3 are 10. So I need to have 5 needs to have a 3 on it. We need 3 more from 5. So I know 5, 3, and 2 is 5. So we've made our 10 here. So there's our 10. And how many extras do we have? 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12. So 5 plus 7 plus 5 is 12. Because remember, we're really using our Make 10 strategy to figure out our original problem. Here we go. Again, we have 8 plus 7 equals something. So here we go. We're going to do 8 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we have 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so now this time when we fill it in, we're going to fill in our 10 frame because we need 2 more to make 10. So really, I need 2 from the 7, and I know from my number bonds that 2 and 5 is 7. So here we go. Let's fill it out. We need 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now we're going to do 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as you can see, here are my 2 from the 7 to fill out that 10 frame. So now I've made a 10. 8 became 10. I always want to use my bigger number. So here is my 10 right here. And then I have my extras down here. So if I'm going to look at it, if I look up here and I want to look at it, and to make my 10, I needed 2 more. So instead of 7, I'm going to make 7, 2, and 5. So I'll have 8, 2, and then 5, because we're splitting up that 7. So now I know that 8 and 2, I see that I have my 10. 8 and 2 are 10. But I still have this extra 5. So we have 10 plus 5. Well, I know 10 plus 5 is 15. So 8 plus 7 is also 15. Remember, we didn't change the numbers. We just switched the spots and broke them apart. Here we go. Let's try it again. We have 8 plus 4. So we're going to draw a picture or a model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I look up here, I know that I need 2 more. So let's do this again, and this time we'll fill it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to continue filling in the 10 frame first, and then on the outside. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's look at our 10 frame. I have 10 right here, but what did I do? I broke apart my 4. I put these 2 up into the 10 frame. So they're right here. So I broke it apart. So I have 2 here and 2 here. So I broke apart 4 into 2 and 2. So when I look at my 10 frame, I have 8, I have 2 yellow in the 10 frame, and 2 yellow out of the 10 frame. So I know that when I look at my 10 frame, I have 8 and 2. Well, I know 8 and 2 is 10, and then I have my extra 2 right here to add in. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Let's try one more. I'm going to start by putting the counters in, and then you can help. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, now let's do 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So, this time, what am I going to do? If you said to put one of the yellows in the 10 frame, awesome job. So I'm going to fill up with the red. And I need 9. So I know that when I have 9, I'm going to have 1 blank. All right. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to count 8, but I'm going to start with the 10 frame first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now let's look at our make a 10. So, how many red do we have? If you said 9, great job. How many yellow are in the box? In the 10 frame. If you said 1, great job. So I have 9 and 1. How many extras do we still have? If you said 7, awesome. Here are my 7. What do I do next? If you said to add to make a 10, great job. So 9 plus 1 is 10. And how many extras do I have? 7. Good job. So what's 10 plus 7? 17. Good job. So 9 plus 8 is also 17. One more. Here we go. This time I gave you the picture, and we have to figure out what our Make 10 strategy is. So let's count. How many do we have here? We have 9. How many do we have on the outside? 6. So, I know we're looking to find what 9 plus 6 is, but we're going to use the Make 10 strategy. So, here's our Make 10 strategy. So, let's look, how many red are in 9? Good job. And here's our red, 9. How many yellow are inside the 10 frame? 1. Awesome job. There it is. How many extras do we have after we made a 10? 5. Right there. So here we go. What are we going to do next? Good job. We're going to make a 10 with 9 and 1. What's 9 and 1? 10. How many more do we have? 5. What's 10 plus 5? 15. Awesome job. So 9 plus 6 is also 15. Way to go. Awesome job learning today.